Bad crankshaft position sensor symptoms and fixes. Don't ignore these signs. Your car stalls without warning, or cranks but just won't start. The hidden culprit? A tiny sensor that could leave you stranded. Today, we're talking about a problem that can stop your car in its tracks, a bad crankshaft position sensor. I'll show you the symptoms, the causes, what happens if you ignore it, and of course, how to fix it. Let's get started. In this video, you'll learn the key warning signs of a bad crank sensor, what causes it to fail, the risks of ignoring it, and how to fix it without wasting time or money. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay ahead of car problems before they leave you stranded. What is a crankshaft position sensor? The crankshaft position sensor monitors both the position and rotational speed of the crankshaft. This data is sent to your engine control module, or ECM, which uses it to control ignition timing, fuel injection, and overall engine performance. If the sensor fails, the ECM can't properly manage the engine. This can prevent the engine from starting or cause it to stall unexpectedly. Top signs of a bad crankshaft position sensor. Sign number 1. Engine cranks but won't start. You turn the key, it cranks, but the engine never fires. The ECM doesn't know when to deliver spark or fuel. Sign number 2. Intermittent stalling. The engine may stall while idling or even while driving, often with no warning. Sign number 3. Check engine light codes P0335 to P0339. P0335 indicates a crankshaft sensor circuit malfunction, while P0336 to P0339 cover range, performance, or signal issues. Sign number 4. Rough idling or misfiring. Inaccurate timing signals from the sensor can cause uneven idle and engine misfires. Sign number 5. Poor acceleration. You might notice delayed throttle response or sluggish power delivery due to incorrect timing of combustion. Sign number 6. Reduced fuel economy. When the ECM can't properly time fuel injection, your engine burns more fuel than necessary. Causes of crankshaft sensor failure. 1. Excessive engine heat can damage the sensor's electronics. 2. Magnetic interference can corrupt the sensor signal, leading to incorrect readings. 3. Engine vibration or physical damage may break the sensor or its wiring. 4. Oil, dirt, or metal shavings on the sensor can prevent accurate detection of the crankshaft's position. 5. Faulty wiring or corroded connectors can cause intermittent or total sensor failure. Risks of ignoring. Risks of ignoring a failing crankshaft sensor. Ignoring a failing crankshaft sensor can result in total engine shutdown while driving. Inconsistent spark can cause misfires, poor fuel burn, and even catalytic converter damage. You could end up stranded, facing bigger repair bills, and even risking safety on the road. How to diagnose and fix it. Step 1. Scan for codes P0335 to P0339, clear indicators of crankshaft sensor issues. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors for damage, looseness, or corrosion. Step 3. Check live data for crankshaft RPM while cranking the engine. If RPM shows 150 to 300, the sensor's good and the engine spins fine. If it shows 0, the sensor isn't sending a signal. Check the sensor, wiring, or EQ. If it's under 150, the engine's cranking too slow. Look at the battery, starter, grounds, or engine drag. Step 4. Use an oscilloscope if possible, to see the sensor's signal waveform. If replacement is needed, sensors usually cost between $30 and $100. Disconnect the battery first, and don't over-tighten the new sensor. Frequently asked question, FAQs. Can you drive with a bad crankshaft sensor? Maybe for a short while. But it can stall at any moment. Is the camshaft sensor the same? No. They work together, but they're different sensors. If one fails, the other may keep the engine limping, but performance suffers. Will replacing the sensor fix stalling? Yes, if the sensor is truly the cause. Always scan for codes first. Conclusion. A bad crankshaft sensor may be small, but it causes big problems: stalling, no start issues, and expensive damage if ignored. If your car stalls randomly, won't start, or shows crankshaft codes, check it right away before it leaves you stranded. If this video helped, like and share, subscribe for more real-world automotive fixes. Drop your car's symptoms in the comments, and we'll cover them in future videos. Up next, low fuel pressure symptoms, what to watch for and how to fix it.